Prepping, cooking, the things you need to know. Who are you going to turn to? The Super Awesome Food Show.
Hey! Welcome to the Super Awesome Food Show. I'm John. Today we are going to make our special grilled cheese sandwiches. Simple and easy, right here in your kitchen at home. Look how good that looked. Cheesy goodness. So I set the oven just below medium, right about that line right below medium. Butter is key to making good grilled cheese sandwiches. I think butter. Just load it up there with butter. Get it sizzling, get it hot, get this thing melted on there. And then all you do is, in the middle of the melty goodness, throw a piece of bread. You don't have to butter the bread. That's the thing. A lot of people think you gotta try and spread butter all over your bread and ruin the bread. But I think it's easier just to get the melted butter going on there and throw the bread on top. Because eventually, after about a minute or so, you got this nice buttery toasted piece of bread that you can set off to the side. Get your other piece of bread on there. Toast that one up with buttery goodness. And when that one's done in about a minute, pull that off. Look at that. 2 pieces of buttery toasted goodness. Slap your slices of cheese on there. I think this, you can use any kind of cheese you want. You could do shredded cheese, sliced cheese, whatever kind of cheeses. American, provolone, cheddar, whatever you got. Get a little bit more butter. Put it on there. The grill. Get this thing spun around in the butter. Try not to let it fall apart. And let it sit for about a minute. Pull it off. You're going to flip it over and look. That's some good buttery toasted goodness. Throw another piece of butter on there. Watch your fingers though. Don't do what I just did. Use a utensil. Don't burn yourself, please. Throw some more butter on there to make it buttery goodness. Yeah, we're going to end up using a whole stick of butter by the time we're done. Nah, not really. But, butter's key. You want it bubbling. You want it sizzling. There you go. Some good-looking, simple toasted cheese with simple sandwich bread and slices of cheese at home. What do you know? Quick and easy, and it tastes great. Well, there you have it. That's how you make some simple grilled cheese sandwiches. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay awesome, everybody, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya! The Super Awesome Food Show is part of the Super Awesome Geek Show network. Please check the description below and subscribe to the channels that interest you. I'd also like to thank Gary at Gary's Grails for the voiceover work on the intro to this video. Super awesome.